is asking for angle turned through by larger wheel, for one pair of teeth in contact. Remember, it is one pair of teeth. How many pair of teeth are in contact? So after solving this problem for contact ratio, there are two pairs of teeth are in contact. Fine. So he is asking for one pair of teeth in contact. So first we'll discuss about this drawing. This is the drawing. See, I'll take this as larger wheel. Larger wheel means it is gear. So likewise this I'll take it as pinion, smaller wheel, and this axis, that is a center line, indicates pitch circle of larger wheel, and this indicates pitch circle of pinion. Okay, for one pair of teeth in contact, this is P dash, this is pitch point, and this is P double dash. Okay, for the angle turned through for one pair of teeth means you need to consider length of arc of contact. Are you getting my point? See, length of arc of contact you need to consider for one pair of teeth angle turned through. Okay, for two pair, so you need to consider some other things. Fine. So he is asking for only one pair. One pair means it is P dash to P double dash. So that is length of arc of contact. So he is asking for theta. Now, so what is the formula to find out this length of arc of contact? Sorry, not the length of arc of contact. That is, for this length, what would be the angle? That is the question, correct? So for this length of arc of contact, what would be the angle? Theta, correct? So for that, see, let me consider a point A on the circle. Okay, for one complete revolution, it has to go through 360 degree, correct? So from this is the starting point, so it will rotate like this in anti-clockwise direction. Again it will return back to this A position only, so that it is going to cover 360 degree on the circumference. Alright, to cover this entire circumference, it has to go through 360 degree. So circumference means it is 2 pi r. Okay, for 360 degree it has to cover a distance of 2 pi r. Then for length of arc of contact, that is on the circle, means on the circumference of the larger wheel, for this distance what would be the angle? That is the question. Are you getting? So he is asking for this theta. For complete one revolution, it is 2 pi r. For 360 degree it has to cover 2 pi r. Now he is asking for angle for LAOC, to cover LAOC, length of arc of contact. So formula becomes on the cross multiplication, theta is equal to 360 into LAOC divided by 2 pi r. Okay, on the cross multiplication. Okay, so theta is equal to 360 into LAOC divided by 2 pi r is the formula to find out this value, that is theta. Now what happens after substituting the values? 360 into LAOC, that's the value 33.566 is the value, divided by 2 pi into r is the radius of larger wheel, because he is asking for larger wheel, right? So I'll take the radius of larger wheel, so it would be capital R. Okay, so that is 152.75. if you simplify, you'll get 12.59 degree. So this is the answer. Okay, there is angle turned through by larger wheel for one pair of teeth in contact. For one pair of teeth in contact, angle should be 12.59 degree. For complete rotation, it is 360. Are you getting? So this is how you need to find out the value of angle turned through. Okay.